Hey guys, back at you with another video. Today's video is going to be about doing tricks with a fidget spinner. Let's get into it. For my first trick, I will be doing a fidget spinner spin on my thumb and other fingers. Oh, that was failed. For my second trick, I will be balancing it on a hammer. That works too. For my third trick, I will be balancing it on the cap of this water bottle. Let's go. Boom, that works too. Something extra, it's not a trick, but it's a hack for when you stop your fidget spinner, it doesn't hurt much. This is what it would look like. You get a bracelet that's rubber and you put it around the three edges of your fidget spinner. And then when you want to stop it, it won't hurt as much as it would on a normal fidget spinner. You could also do more tricks. And you'll see what this looks like in a minute. I'm going to pause this video until I get it. This is what it'll look like. Yeah. And that's it for today's video. See you later, guys. Peace.